Step number one is we're taking the seat and we're putting it forward, like that. Step number two is we're putting this in here, like that, and we want to recline it. So we're going to do this, and we're going to get the full recline, so that it sits like that. And you can see down there this angle thing right there, and it's in the nice blue zone right there. Okay, so I'm going to go in here and I'm going to turn and open this up like this. Okay, and then I'm going to insert this in to go into here. So in and in like that. Okay, step number three is we're going to be doing this out like this. And then we want to get this through like that with both belts, and then both belts through like that. Okay, and here we're now going to go click like that, and then I'm going to snug this up like that, and then I'm going to go like this. This is the big finale right here. And then shake very, very solid. Okay? Here. Like that. 2 fingers.